Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. That's Diane's Decorating and More. Thank you so much for tuning in to the channel today, guys. I have a special treat for you. Yes, it's going to be one of my loaf breads that I make, okay? I'm going to share with you how I put this lovely little dainty loaf bread together, okay? Alright, once again, you know that all our ingredients are at room temperature, guys. Alrighty? I'll be sure to put everything in the video for you as well, so you'll know exactly what goes into this orange loaf cake. So stay tuned as we get started. Alright guys, we have already put into our mixer here our 3 eggs, okay? And now we're going to go ahead and add in the sugar. This particular little cake does not require a lot of sugar, so if you're the type of person who don't like your cakes too sweet, this is for you. Alright? Now what we're going to do next, we're going to go ahead and add in our milk. And I'll make sure I have the type of milk, you know, listed in the ingredients, okay? That is very thick, and it's very thick simply because of the type of milk that it is. And we're going to let that whip, guys, for about 5 minutes, and then we'll be right back. So stay tuned. Alright, so now that has finished beating there, we're going to go ahead next and add in our orange juice. Okay, and I think I put like 1/4 of a cup in there. Okay, add that in. Right. Okay. We're gonna add in our flavorings, which is, of course, my superior. We're gonna add that in last, along with some of the enhanced flavoring for the orange extract. Okay. Put that in last. We want that flavor to linger throughout the dough. Alright, so next up we're going to add in our 1/4 cup of oil. Going to add in just a touch of the zest. Start that off on slow as we add in our flour. The flour, we all have added the salt and your baking powder, and we sifted it. Now, it doesn't have to sift it because it's cake flour, but I prefer to sift it because that gives it that mixing that I desire for it to have. Okay, so if you sift it, you don't have to worry about trying to add it in if it's balanced or not. So, all right. You just add it in a little bit at a time until it's, you know, well combined. Make sure to get all of that out of there. Stop it and we're going to scrape down the sides. continue on slow. And then we're going to come back and I'll show you exactly what that looks like, okay? Once it has combined and everything. So stay tuned. Right now we're ready to pour our mixture here. And I'll show you exactly what that looks like. Okay. That is your loaf mixture. Alrighty. Okay. And I did taste it. I like that. Very, very tasty. Okay, so now we're going to pour the mixture into our prepared loaf pan here. Just one up there. All done. Okay, like what I see. So now I'll take some of the zest that I had left over there, a little zest here. Sprinkle just a little bit of it on top there. Okay. All right. Okay, it smells so good, it really, really does. So we're going to pop this in the oven and let it bake, and then come back and I'll show you exactly what that looks like fresh out of the oven, okay? Alright, so stay tuned. So we're going to add some of this orange extract, just, let's see how much is this, 1/4 of a teaspoon, okay? And that's going to give it that orange flavor that we really, really like for this particular cake, okay? Alright. Take some of this marmalade right quick. I'm just going to put 2 tablespoons in there. Mix that in. And it's okay to change up sometime. You know how you change up and do something a little different in terms of your toppings for your cakes or for your, you know, your breads or whatever. I find that you get a good experience when you do that. Instead of making the powdered sugar ones, you know, all the time, it's okay to change up. Makes your food a little bit more tastier with experimenting with things like that. And you learn a lot of techniques too. another tablespoon in there. And I'm going to whip it some more until I get it to the consistency that is pourable. And then once the loaf comes out of the oven, then I will bring you back, and when it cools down, and we'll put our topping on, okay? So stay tuned. Right, I'm popping back on to share with you the glaze that I'm going to put on top of the orange loaf bread, okay? It's the glaze, okay, that I'm going to put together for you. And it's going to consist of some cream cheese, okay? You see here. Looks like a lot, but it really isn't, okay? And I'll go ahead and mix that in with some of this pure extra orange marmalade. Okay, that's the brand I'm using right there. I tell you, it smells so good. It really, really does. That's really good. And that cream cheese, that hits the spot. That topped it out right there. Oh yeah, so if you make this little orange loaf, leave a comment and tell me what you think about it, especially the topping that I made to go on it with the cream cheese. I tell you guys, this is absolutely delicious. It really, really is. That's another one for the books. Alright, thank you so much for joining me here today on Diane's Decorating and More. Truly appreciate your time and you stopping by the channel, guys. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And that's Diane's Decorating and More. Y'all go out and have a great one. We'll see you in the next video.